Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be doing the Geekbench Mark 5 comparison test between the POCO X3 versus the Realme 7 5G device, which has a Dimensity 800U processor. The Realme 7 5G, which is also called as the Realme Q2 device as well. So previously, I did an another benchmark comparison between the both the smartphones, and in this video, I'll be comparing the Geek Benchmark 5 results. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the upper hand than the other smartphone. So let me quickly open the Geek Benchmark 5 application in the POCO X3, and as you can see right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone. Let me open the application. So here's the Geek Benchmark application has been opened, and let me try to again open the Geek Benchmark here. So even in the Realme 7 5G it's already open, and first let me try to show you the exactly Dimensity 800U. As you can see, Dimensity 800U processor is the Realme phone which I am using right now. So in case if you're watching first on this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also to check the links in description for the playlist of these both the smartphones. You can find so many amazing links in the description below for the playlist, so which will be really helpful for you in case if you plan to buy this Realme 7 5G with a Dimensity 800U processor. So let me quickly start the run CPU test at same time. As you can see, I did start at same time. So let's see the results, which phone will be having the better results. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper which is really cute, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of live wallpapers. You can, once you click the playlist, you'll find so many videos, and try to check for this live wallpaper. You'll find very good amazing live wallpapers in that playlist. So I'm using the POCO X3 for more than 2 months. It's been very long time, and this Realme 7 5G and the Realme Q2, which is a very new mobile. I started to use for the past couple of days only. So the only interesting part about this phone is a Dimensity 800U processor. Apart from that, everything is as normal like other smartphones. There's nothing much special holding for this Realme phone. So next upcoming videos, I'll try to do the charging test and battery draining test while playing the PUBG game as well. So make sure to follow me regularly by subscribing to my channel. So once the test is completed, I'll be back showing you the results, which phone has a better score. As you can see, friends, the results are back here. So you can see the difference between the Snapdragon 732G, which is present in the POCO X3 device, versus the Dimensity 800U processor. So there is not much difference. There is only difference, I think, close to 20 difference in the single core, as you can see, and in the multi-core, even I think very less difference is there. So only 6 marks higher in the Realme smartphone, which has a Dimensity 800U device. So slightly close to this POCO X3 performance in terms of the Geek Benchmark 5, but in the another benchmark results, the things are really different. There's a huge difference between the both the phones in terms of the another benchmark test. So make sure to check that video. So recently I did upload the video on the POCO X3 versus the Realme 7 5G another benchmark test, and which is really insane difference is there and the another benchmark test. But in the Geek benchmark test, there is nothing much difference is there between the both the phones. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.